Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla.
Hey, what we are now?
A police there fuck with you?
Then I must have talked about something I'm serious question.
Police really a fuck you?
But yeah, I know say me hold tight, aren't you?
You hold tight? No, sir.
Me hold tight.
Well, I'm going to present to you the rest of this video. You see me I said to you, but I have to give you some form of understanding what I go on. So you know say you have to listen to understand what she has said. You see me I say, by the way, I don't know who this already. I mean, the Skilla, you see it? Now, this young lady said that police have sex with her at night for money. Them even battery her or them things there. You see me I said to you? I kind of find it hard to believe. You see me I say? Because you know people can't say anything. You see me I said to you? So this is even the reason why I present this to you, my viewers. You see me I say? For sure, know what really are going on in a Jamaica society. You see me I say? You know, the whole world. You know, cause not just Jamaica stay like this if it's really happening certain ways. See me I say. But here the thing is now. I have to make you know so that there are languages that some viewers might not like to hear, so you don't know say you have been warned. You see me I say. And if you don't like how I present the videos too, you can just click the subscribe button for stay up to date to the Dancehall Skilla. You see me I say to you, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And you don't know the thing already. My name is Skilla, and this way I go watch and where I see right now a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Observe.
Hey, what we are now?
A police there fuck with you?
Then I must have talked about something I'm serious question.
Police really a fuck you?
But yeah, I know say me hold tight, aren't you?
You hold tight? No, sir.
Me hold tight so till it has squeeze me to push.
Blood clot.
You know,
Mama, your hat.
If you ever couldn't come to pussy a C-section, you have to do. I'm going to tell you. To him hold tight. And them the officer that regularly batch me to pussy.
I lie. Bumbo clot.
I don't lie, me I tell you. They never batch you.
No.
No.
No, they've never do that. You're mad?
Like a
You want me to let them up?
Pull you in a jeep and make you and then fuck you and you suffering now.
No, I'm not do that. No, you're mad.
So they do that? They pay you?
You have to make them pay you.
They pay me. I say they don't pay you walk on way. On cost though. No, me I walk on cost because they can't fuck good, you know what I'm saying?
They fuck good?
You know if me not get no money, guarantee that bro. I thought they want to drive the jeep there.
Me believe you, me not.
They got the one there dog on the pussy, they say boy can't fuck the police boy. You know me say me have to fuck him again, you know.
I like this.
No, for real boy can't fuck you know.